Good morning guys, my name is Mario. We are here today at the Berceuse Hotel in Nusa Dua, where we will be creating a video for them, and I will be showing you the behind the scenes and the whole insights in this episode. First things first, we have the model and Henna here, as you can see. We have Anna and Henna, videographer and model today, and we are at the location where we're going to be doing our first shot. Let me show you the location of the first shot. So we're here at the entrance where I would like to make the first shot. I would call it the establishing shot, where we can showcase the entrance, how the hotel feels and looks like, and I'm going to be using the ultra wide angle. Like I told you in the boot camp, a pop socket is necessary, and a case I would definitely recommend. I would turn the phone upside down so we could get closer to the floor and get a more 3D shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot Anna walking from the pathway this way, and then just end the video like that, because the next scene I'll be coming out of the green screen. The reason why I'm taking this location is because of the lines here. I'm going to show you later. When we move backwards, the lines come into the frame, and everything looks much more three-dimensional. It looks much more beautiful, and I really want to get these dynamic shots. I don't want to get static shots. I want to keep this video moving. So you're gonna see the lines, and she's gonna move in, and it's gonna be beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so dark. Okay. It's so dark. So we faced our first problem. It's 12 o'clock. The sun was right above us. We couldn't see anything. Very, very bad lighting. And the reason why we didn't shoot this morning was because we had breakfast. These are the things which you need to take into consideration when making these videos. So remember guys, lock the autofocus. If you're wearing sandals, do not use sandals, shoes or barefoot. And don't forget the technique you learned in the boot camp. Lower your center of gravity, bend your knees, get lower, and use both hands and the pop socket. And when I say go, you just walk towards me, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. I have the lines here. Okay, that's good. It's actually really good, but the lighting is not good. Now Anna and I will be going into the villa to do shot number 2, which is indoor, which is most probably doable now. Let's go. Location number 2, inside Anna's room. We are on the 2nd floor, and what I want to do in this shot is actually showcase the room in one shot. So we're going to be coming out of the green screen in the bathroom, and then we're going to showcase the bathroom real quick, all in one shot, and then she's going to walk into this room where I'm going to show the bed and then transition away. I want to show as much as possible in one shot. I think every shot should have a story. It's also what we teach you in the academy if you've seen the storytelling part. Anyways, we're going to do the shot right now, and we're going to show you this beautiful room too. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, perfect. All we need now is to get lighting for the bathroom to make it more brighter. And then we have the shot. Okay. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So this is the lighting we have here. We tried to do it without the lights. Too much noise. The iPhone is not capable of low lights that well yet. But with the help of a bit of lighting, anything will look beautiful. So this is the 2nd attempt now with Henna as the lightning man. Oh, big, big, big difference. So much better. Okay, let's try it. So like we said, you look into the da-da-da, and then you go inside, you sit down and you smile, and I disappear into the laptop. All right guys, we got the shot. We green screened into the laptop. So grateful that we have so many different phones here. We're gonna take a quick break, have lunch, and then do the 3rd and 4th shot. And once the sun has gotten a bit lower, we're gonna do the first shot again, where the light won't be as harsh and it's gonna be more horizontal light. Let's go. Okay, so this is lunch. Thankfully, part of the collaboration, the food is also included. We had kind of a heavy breakfast. That's why everybody ordered fruits, except for me. I didn't eat breakfast. I'm gonna have gado gado, and then later we're gonna continue. For shot number 3, we're going to be recording Anna walking down the stairs, and then she's going to move all the way down here to this chair and sit there, and that's where the next transition is going to happen. The reason why I want to shoot from the staircase and her sitting down is we can see the whole lower part of the villa in exactly one shot. So when she walks to the chair, I can showcase the pool a little bit, I can showcase that nice place to chill, and then transition into her hand. So that's how the third shot is going to be. And this place is beautiful. Let me show you. Remember guys, no shoes, lower your center of gravity, use both hands, and grow a beard like Hannah. Let's go. It's like you were like this. Okay, so only walking down the stairs fast, and then here you're just like chill. Okay. That was good. This is how things are. We always have to experiment first. I told her to walk fast, but that was too fast, and then she wanted to go somewhere. But it's just all about walking down the staircase nice and fast, and then here slow, you know, nice and slow, nice and villa vibe. Okay, we got the shot. We transitioned to the cup this time. We thought we were going to slap or punch or do something with the hand, but Hannah had the better idea in putting the cup into the phone. Okay, so you just do this. Just smile. You know, like you put the coffee up. Yeah, you know what I mean? And this is where now the last transition, the last shot happens, where she's going to be in the bikini already, and then she's going to pull out with the cup, and then she's going to walk to the pool, and that's it. And we want to keep this video short, because the shorter the videos are, the higher the probability it's going to get viral. And if it's also good content and short, then only consistency is the question as when you will then be able to grow your community. So I would lock the autofocus in the sky so that it's not overly bright, but we can also see the villa from here. So always lock the autofocus in the final shot where you're going to have the person, and then you start to do the movement. Okay, so we are done with all 3 shots except the first shot, which we have to do later around 4, 3:30, 4:30. Okay, so this is the afternoon now. It's 2 p.m. We have 3 out of the 4 shots which we wanted. The first shot which we wanted to do at the beginning was not good enough because the lighting was really bad. We're going to shoot there at around about 4:35 where the light is going to be horizontal. But up until now, I'm very happy with the shots because all 4 shots have a story in them. All 4 shots have a dynamic movement in them, and all 4 shots showcases different aspects of the villa. That's very important, all right? So if you go into the academy in the first module, I would definitely recommend to go over the story module because that's very powerful. It's the exact same formula which I use here. She enters the hotel, she goes to the bathroom to make herself ready, and then in that meantime I also showcase a bit of the villa, and then at the end she changes into the bikini because she wants to relax next to the pool. Simple story, but it showcases that she is in the hotel. Keep it simple. That's the way I like it. We're going to continue later. Please, thank you. It's 4 p.m. We're back here now. The lighting is much better because the sun is over there. No backlight. Anna looking fly. And we're going to do this shot, which we wanted to do today at the very beginning. And then once that is done, we are done with the whole hotel shoot. We're going to put the flower here. It gives that more Bali vibe. I really like it. Let's get started. All right. In 3, 2, 1, go. Really good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. So it's really important that you understand that when I do the behind the scenes, it happens after I do the shot. Because once I have the shot, it might take 12, 13, 14, or even only 2 attempts. So I don't want to have someone recording me 12 times. So that's why once I say I have the shot, I redo the shot to showcase the BTAs BTS to only showcase the movement, not the actual footage itself. That's why we have Henna here, who's going to be taking care of the BTS for this shot. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Walk, 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 walk. Perfect. Then we got it. Someone looking fly. It's perfect. Thank you so much. It is a wrap. We have done the video.
Nice.
It's a wrap. These two were amazing. Thank you so much. Sorry, Tankiri. Anna was amazing too. And this is the second day of the 3rd days which will be here. And I'm going to be editing this soon. But we are done. Everybody can relax now. We're going to have dinner soon. But now I'd like to talk to you about a couple things concerning hotel collaborations.
We got big stacks, no cap, no fats on my make tracks, make cash, big facts on my hit that, roll back in the bands on my drip, drip, got the Gucci on my lens. I really can't pass it, mate. Yeah, I'm really number one, you can ask him, mate. So probs know my name, I've heard the game like Esh, come fucking it up, like Esh, come fucking it up, ayy.
First thing I want to talk about is how to get these hotel collaborations. In my opinion, there are 2 ways. Firstly, you either contact them via email or DM and you just ask them, can you create content for them in exchange for food, accommodation, or your rate card where your price list is inside. Secondly, what I personally recommend and what I do, because I don't like to ask people for anything, I decided to create content which would be interesting for hotels, villas, and restaurants, and started focusing mainly just creating videos for myself and putting them onto social media. What happened with time was these hotels, villas, and restaurants, they kept on seeing my work and then asked me for me to come. So that's the way which I actually get these collaborations. I get DMs through these agents, these hotels. They ask me, can you come over and do one of those videos which you do? I don't personally go out asking for collaborations. It's not a bad thing. It's not something which I definitely not recommend, because these are the 2 ways which I would do it, but I don't do it that way. I just create content and attract the people I want to attract. In these collaborations, it's usually your decision what it includes. So if it's 2, 3 nights, how many videos, are the meals included? That's all in your power. It's all in the matter of you have to negotiate all of this. When I did the first few hotel collaborations, I just said yes to it. I'll make you a video for 1 night. In the end, I had no time to actually enjoy the hotel. I had no time to create the video. So you learn through experience. I learned through experience. Nowadays, I say minimum 2 nights for 1 video. So if you want 1 video, I have to be able to stay in that place for 2 nights, because I want to have a day where I can plan these shoots, shoot the content, and also be able to actually enjoy this hotel. Concerning the food, I would personally recommend to have all of it included, because this content which you end up creating for them is content which they can reuse. They can use it for their ads, they can use it for their website, they can use it for their social media. It's reusable content. And what you get in exchange is usually just a few nights and some food, you know? So if you don't actually have the food included, then I would definitely recommend to negotiate that part in, because what they usually get is something which is permanent. You know, the food and the stay is temporary, but what they get is permanent. So try and incorporate as much bonuses as you can on top. With my hotel collaborations, I have a rate card, and on top of that, I also get the stays and the food included too. When you're creating these kind of videos, I recommend a model. You don't need a model. You can create content and showcase the architecture of this hotel, the different locations, the different whatever they have to offer, like a massage, a spa, the pool. You can record all of that, but in my opinion, a model just makes these videos ×5 more attractive. So I would recommend for you to get a model. What do you do if you're just starting? I would ask a friend. I would ask maybe your partner if they would be interested in being a model for these videos. Because at the beginning, you might only just get 1 room for free, you know? So when I started, they only gave me 1 room. Now I'm growing. Now I'm doing this on a more often, on a more frequent basis. I have a team who join me, who get a room, and the model herself or himself also get a room. So definitely get a model. So if you're not sure if you're able to negotiate a second room, try and bring a friend with you, or if you have a partner, that would be great. Start off with your friends, with your partner, and then slowly, once you get more confident, you can add a model or models into this video, and then you can work with agencies. I work with one agency, and that's how I get my models. When you do these hotel collaborations, you are working, but at the same time, it's also a very beautiful hotel. And here in Bali, most of the hotels are beautiful. And what I also try to do is also enjoy these stays. So that's why I have this 2-night minimum for one hotel rule, which I have, because I actually want to enjoy the hotel too. So in this negotiation part, if they want more videos, make sure you can add more nights to this whole collaboration so you can actually enjoy these stays. Not only can you enjoy these stays, you can also have a half a day or a day of just planning the content. You know, in the academy, in module 1, there's the storytelling part. It's really important that you also know what kind of story you want to tell. So it's important, maybe the first day you come, the first day you check in, you walk around the hotel, you look around, what inspires you, what can you do, all right? The more spectacular the hotel, the easier it is to get inspired. The less beautiful it is, the more creative you have to be. Thinking of a story is not easy. It's part of module 1. We have templates there for you to look at. But what I recommend for these hotel collaborations is give that check-in vibe. You know, you enter the hotel, you walk through the compound, you go into the room, you show a bit of the room, and then you showcase a bit of the room, the pool if they have something like that, and then in the end you can finish it off with them enjoying the place. And it's important that you make the viewers feel something. So if they're gonna eat dinner, or if they're gonna jump into the pool, or enjoying a massage, make them enjoy and feel something in this video. So that's why you try to end this video, or make sure you show enough things which can bring emotions to the viewers, all right? So if you're getting a spa treatment, a massage or something, you know, that sends off relaxation vibes. You feel relaxed, right? So put as much story as you can, and make sure every shot shows a story. I know this is one of the most difficult things to do, but the less shots you have, the better on social media. The shorter the videos are, the higher the probability this video can go viral on TikTok, on our reels, all right? That's so important for you to know. So try to make the best out of each shot. For example, if you walk into the hotel, you show the reception, and then the next shot is you showing the pathway of the person walking to the room, and then you show the third shot is one walking into the room. This is already way too many shots, you know? I can understand that you want to show as much as possible of this hotel, but it's about the message. So if you have 3 shots of the person just walking to somewhere, then you can just scratch all of that and just showcase one shot that you can show them that they are coming into the hotel and they're going somewhere. That's all you need. One shot to explain that they are going somewhere. Try to keep it low on the shot. The last thing, which I definitely recommend, is to be able to stay true to yourself, to your craft, to your creativity. Hotels will have a list of things which they would love to shoot. They would have a list of things which, when you should shoot, what you should shoot, and how long the video should be. Make sure that they understand this is your video, all right? This is your piece of content which you will be showcasing through your personal brand. It's your video. You get to decide what you show and how long you get to show. It's always good to ask the hotel what they would like to show, because they would know what is interesting, what looks good in the hotel. But in the end, it's your call. I've had many collaborations where the hotel gave me a huge itinerary of things which they would like to have inside the video, but I had to cut it all out because it just didn't work, didn't fit into the flow of the video. So you have to be able to stand your ground, show where your boundaries are, and stay true to your craft. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could give you as much insight as I could when it comes to hotel collaborations. I've already shown you the final result of this hotel collaboration at La Berceuse. Super beautiful hotel. If you have any suggestions, do let us know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.